One of the most common questions that brain injury victims have is how much can they expect to receive in a settlement? Brain injuries are expensive. With medical bills adding up quickly, victims want to know that the person that caused them harm will cover all the expenses. When trying to figure out how much your settlement is worth, it is important to remember that the insurance company is not on your side. The adjuster working on your brain injury case wants to pay you the minimum possible amount in your settlement. This is unfair and unjust. To understand how much your settlement is worth, you must first know what damages are available to you. In your brain injury, you can be compensated for medical expenses, the cost of in-home care, rehabilitation costs, lost income, and pain and suffering. Some of these costs come immediately after your injury, but most of the damages available to you are for future expenses. When determining how much your settlement is worth, it is crucial that you take into account any future care or treatment that you may need. To determine these costs, you must have testimony from a doctor or medical professional. If your brain injury will prevent you from working in the same job you had at the time of the accident, it is important to determine how much you will need in a permanent disability. This can be difficult to show and requires the help of specialized resources. Finally, you will want to know how much you can expect to receive in pain and suffering. This is perhaps the most complicated portion of the settlement, as there are no financial costs associated with physical pain or emotional distress. To ensure that you get the maximum settlement available in your claim, it is important to put an experienced brain injury lawyer on your side. At Gray & White, we have access to the resources you need to help determine how much your settlement is worth. With this, we can effectively negotiate a fair and just settlement on your behalf. Call us today to schedule a free consultation and learn more about what is available to you.